It's a very big privilege to be on the cruise with DXN. Because it's a life-changing event, the way we can relax, reflect on the future, a life extravagant, a much richer life. We want this for every person that is joining the DXN, and there is possibility because there are billions of people who don't know that this amazing coffee exists. Of course, one very exciting thing is that we can talk with the higher management and plan the future of the DXN, the next steps, because DXN is an ever-evolving project for us that can include now much more greater affiliation with young people. The feeling we get when we talk with other leaders, how they work the business, how they plan the future, amazing things that are happening in people's lives, the new people that join the program, is for us every year a way to re-energize in this business and of course to see how we can propel to the future. This is why I'm so happy, because I know in the near future we will have a lot more things that can involve the young people and the people who really want to change their life. Proven to be the DXN company. So give the people what they need, not only what they want, with the easiest way. So join us for the future of DXN.